Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I am presenting an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar about transportation. Do you know, friends, what is transportation? Yes, exactly. Transportation is nothing but the traveling of blood in our body parts to heart, heart to body parts. Here, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood will travel in our body. With the help of transportation, the heart is pumping the blood. Do you know, friends? With the help of blood capillaries, we are the transporting the blood in our human body. The arteries and veins are the blood capillaries in our body. I will show the picture of structure of human heart. This is the structure of human heart. Here, right ventricle, right auricle, left auricle are the divided are four chambers. This is right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle. This is pulmonary artery. This is known as left branch. This is left pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery. This is known as right branch in the heart. This is arteries to head. Here deoxygenated blood will travel. An artery to left arm. Superior vena cava. It is tube-like structure into the heart to one end to another end. Inferior vena cava. Tricuspid valve. Nothing but right atrioventricular valve. This is bicuspid valve. Left atrioventricle. Semilunar valve in the pulmonary artery. This is the structure of internal structure of heart. With the help of heart, the deoxygenated blood is carried into oxygenated blood. Do you know, friends, where the deoxygenated blood will appear? Yes, exactly. The deoxygenated blood will come in the presence of body parts, because here body parts are used the blood, so the blood is became deoxygenated. Do you know, friends, very important blood capillaries in our body, arteries and veins. First, we will discuss about arteries. The arteries are collected blood vessels. The valves does not present. Veins are thick and it is BP. BP is very low. It will transport the blood system heart to body parts. And veins. Veins also is a blood capillary to the heart. Here veins will distributing blood vessel. The veins is distribute the blood heart to body parts. Veins are does not present and valves are thick walls and the BP is high. Do you know, friends, what is the normal BP a healthy human? Yes, exactly 120 by 80 Hg. Hg means hemoglobin. It is a hormone present in our heart pumping system blood. In the deoxygenated blood, the hemoglobin is present. The short form of hemoglobin is Hg. The arteries are very important for our body for collecting the blood vessels, and the veins are very important for our body for distributing the blood vessels. And we will discuss about cardiac cycle. Do you know, friends, what is cardiac cycle? Yes, exactly. Cardiac means heart pumping system and cycle means the running way. Nothing but a process. Cardiac cycle means the heart pumping system process is known as cardiac cycle. Do you know, friends, how many heartbeat are there for a human body at per a minute? Yes, exactly 72. It is based on size of the human body. I will show the picture of cardiac cycle in our human body. Here observe imaginary relaxation of atria and ventricle. Here first right ventricle and left atrium will be more pressured because here oxygenated blood will be travel into the heart. Here see blood flows into atria. After the right ventricle and right atricle, the blood is travel into the left atria. Here observe contraction of atria and flow of blood into ventricles. After the enter of atria, the blood is flowing into ventricles. Contraction of ventricles. AV valves closed lub dub sound. Do you know friends how the heartbeat is there? The lub dub. When the lub sound will come means here contraction will occur and dub means relaxation. The contraction and relaxation is occur 0.11 second. Here 0.15 to 0.18 seconds occur the cardiac cycle. And next, the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein are also known as blood vessel in our body. And next topic is single circulation. Do you know friends what is single circulation? Yes, exactly. Single circulation is nothing but which circulate body occur in amphibians or fishes. The single circulation occur in amphibian fishes because here the deoxygenated blood is travel into the body parts to heart and heart to body parts. Here oxygenated blood will travel. So here we will conclude that here only single circulation is going and double circulation occur in our human body. Do you know friends, the double circulation means the deoxygenated blood are travel into heart and heart will pump the oxygenated blood to our human body parts. Another time the deoxygenated blood will travel into again heart and heart will pumping the blood into our body parts. I will show the picture of single circulation and double circulation. Here observe, this is single circulation diagram. Here we will define it as lungs and heart. Here observe, this is double circulation. This is heart and blood capillaries, pancreas, kidneys, lungs, brain. Here we will observe means the heart is pumping the blood to all body parts. Heart is the main system in our body. And next, lymphatic system. Do you know friends what is lymphatic system? Yes, exactly. The lymphatic system is nothing but the connected blood vessel with blood flows in our human body. The nervous system of is known as the pulmonary artery combination of lymphatic system. I will show the picture of lymphatic system. Here observe friends. Here link with heart, neck and kidneys are the sense organs and total human body are linked with the lymphatic system. Here we will observe means the special blood vessels are present in lungs, pancreas, kidneys, brain. These are the through the blood is flowing. And next, blood pressure. Do you know friends how the BP is will affect the people? Yes, exactly. The BP is nothing but blood pressure. When the salts, NaCl or minerals are more in our body, the body will become more BP because the 120/80 will rise down. The hemoglobin also will decrease in our body. And next, coagulation blood. Do you know friends what is coagulation of blood? Yes, exactly. Coagulation blood is known as the blood is converted into solid or gel-like structure is known as coagulation of blood. In our body contain prothrombin, a hormone. The prothrombin is converted into thrombin. The thrombin is converted into thrombokinase. The thrombin will convert it into fibrinogen and the fibrinogen is converted into fibrin. Here prothrombin is travel into thrombin and here with the help of hemoglobin fibrin is converted into fibrinogen. When we are damaged any skin, here the coagulation of blood process will occur with the help of the solid like structure of blood. So here we will conclude that the coagulation of blood is necessary for our human body. Next, transportation in plants. I will show a picture of how the transportation in plants occur. This is the structure of LS of root showing relationship of root, hair and soil water. With the help of this system that the water travel into in the tree. This is xylem vessel, cells of cortex, cell sap, vacuole, cell wall of root hair, hair spaces, nucleus, soil water, soil particles, epidermal cells. With the help of root pressure, the water will transport into the root system to the total stems, leaves, barks and the total body of the tree. With the help of coagulation blood, the body will become safely. Do you know, friends? The transportation is occur in another organisms also. But here we will conclude that the transportation is nothing but the traveling of blood in our human body is nothing but this is transportation. In the transportation of plants, nothing but that the water system is traveling under the root pressure is known as the water traveling into the tree. And next, systole. Do you know, friends, what is systole? Yes, exactly. Systole is nothing but the relaxation of heart. It is normal value is 120. Next, diastole. Do you know, friends, what is diastole? Yes, diastole is nothing but the contraction of heart. Here 120 by 80 is known as systole by diastole. It is also known as normal BP. The BP is calculated with systole by diastole. Systole value is 120, diastole value is 80. 120 by 80 hemoglobin is a normal BP for normal healthy person. And next, pathway of blood. Do you know, friends, how the blood is flowing in our body? Deoxygenated blood. Yes, exactly. Body parts to caval vein to right auricle to right ventricle to pulmonary artery to lungs to pulmonary vein to left auricle to left ventricle to aorta to heart. Here last stage is aorta. Here the complete blood vessels are present in the heart chambers. At conclude, the four chambers will enter into the blood and the cardiac cycle will occur 0.11 second to 0.18 second. Here the cardiac cycle is nothing but the relaxation and contraction of the heart. I hope you understand my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.